Domestic violence, as you might imagine, can be really hard on the whole family. So we try to provide a personal touch in these cases because we understand how sensitive it can be. So a pending criminal case that involves domestic violence can have an effect on other civil cases like a divorce or a child services case, and clients need to be advised as to how the domestic violence case on the criminal side is going to affect the civil side. So domestic violence cases are oftentimes a he said, she said, and that means that it's our job to go out and get as much evidence as possible to prove that your side of the story is the side that is correct. So in a domestic violence case, those are typically felony cases, and a conviction can have some pretty adverse consequences for you. It can oftentimes be difficult to obtain employment or government benefits with a felony on your record. So it's something that you need to take seriously and that you need to hire an attorney for. If you've been accused of domestic violence, you need to contact an attorney who's experienced in domestic violence cases as soon as possible. It's important to get ahead of the curve, to gather evidence, and to meet with the state as early as possible in your case. Our firm handles a lot of domestic violence cases. They're extremely common. We get a lot of them that come through the door, and we've been down that road. We know the angles to hit, we know where to get the discovery, we know how to make sure that the best outcome is given to each of our clients. I would say that we're a small firm. We're not some big firm where you're not going to actually talk to an attorney. You're going to talk to an attorney at our firm. But we've also got a team here, so we're going to have multiple attorneys on your case. So you get that small firm attention, but you also get the team that's working on your case. If you've been charged with domestic violence, you need to reach out to an attorney as quickly as you can, and you need to reach out to someone who's got experience in the area, who knows what they're doing, who knows the prosecutors in the county that you've been charged in, and you need to do that as soon as possible. So when you come in for an initial consultation, you can expect to go through the facts of the case, to tell us what happened. You can also expect to meet with an attorney during that initial consultation to find out who are the witnesses, what's the evidence that we can gather to help prove your case. And that whole process is entirely free to the client. We will handle your case personally. There will always be someone from the firm on your case. We're not going to ship you off somewhere else, and we're not going to delegate your case to someone else. It's always going to be one of us.